Hey guys, Becki-licious here. These breakfast stuffed bell peppers are loaded. Bacon, sausage, egg, veggies, cheese. Definitely not your boring breakfast. Look at these yummy stuffed breakfast bell peppers. Just watch and see how easy they were to make. Okay, the very first step for our breakfast bell peppers is obviously we've got to get these cut up and cleaned out. So we're going to start, and I decided to get a little crazy with my colors. Instead of doing normal green, I wanted to get, prettier. And number 2. All right, let's get the last of these done up. Get all those peppers out of here. All right, our bell peppers are all opened up and cleaned out. So we're gonna place them on our cookie sheet because our bell peppers are gonna go in the oven by themselves first for about 15 minutes, but we're gonna get them all seasoned up, salt, pepper it, because we want these to be yummy. Okay, bell peppers going in a 350-degree oven for about 15 minutes. So I'll catch you back here in a few. Okay, our bell peppers have been in the oven for just over 15 minutes, and now we are going to stuff them with all of the yumminess that we have, because then they're going to go back in the oven. So here we go. All right, so I'm going to put a little tiny bit of cheese on the bottom just to kind of help everything kind of stick, if you will, because I really want things to adhere to everything. And then this is where it gets fun, because you can do literally whatever you want. So I'm going to do a little bit of everything on each one. So we're going to do some sausage on these 2. So they're going to be our meats. Got some bacon. Definitely going to put bacon in all of them. Just a little tiny bit. More in that one. I got some jalapeños, because some people like it a little on the spicier side. So we're going to put those in there. And then I've got mushrooms. It's my fave. A little bit on each. And then I got some onion. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get our egg cracked on top of each one of these, and hopefully we're not going to make too big of a mess. Here we go. Oh my goodness, what are the chances? I got a double yolker. Oh, last one. Oh. All right, we're going to put pepper jack cheese on the top of these, we want the yumminess. Back in the 350-degree oven. Now I want these to be a little bit more of an over easy egg, so we're only going to put them in for about 10 minutes, okay? Time to pull out these breakfast stuffed bell peppers. Yummy, yummy. Time to plate up and have some breakfast. All right, it's time for some breakfast. Look at how yummy these look. And once again, very healthy. You can customize it however you want. But before I cut into these to give them a try, don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends, and click on the link me for some other fun stuff. Time to try these. Here we go. And go right across that yummy, oh, look at that yolk. Oh, perfection. Oh, this is going to be so good. How yummy is that? Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's absolutely amazing. And it's a low carb breakfast, which is phenomenal because some people actually love that. That's really good. Customize it however you want. Gotta love that, huh? So there we go. Another fun adventure in the kitchen. I hope you guys had fun, because I know I did. And I look forward to seeing you next time, okay? Bye. If you like this video, watch this one.